Hey guys, it's ArtSea here, and today I'm going to be redoing the twirl ladder tutorial. It's an advanced trick. I'm going to be using a rep finally in the video. Just so you know, the giveaway will end at 100,000 subs, and right now it's around 96,000 subs, so if you guys could get that number up there, then the giveaway will end and we'll know who the winner is. Also, thanks so much for my Patreons helping to support me in building a PC. I'm building the setup so I can play games on my Twitch streams and so I can do maybe YouTube live videos and Instagram live videos. So thank you so much. So there's 7 steps to this trick, and the first 2 steps kind of combine together. They're pretty fast, so you want to get those down right away. So you're going to be holding the knife by the safe handle. You're going to be doing a double rollout first. And so that's the first step. The second step is a vertical index chaplain, like this, and you're catching with your middle finger on the outside of the safe handle and your index finger in the middle. So together that would look like this. Pretty fast motion. Okay, so you're in this position. The third step, you're going to go forward like this and down. You're going to replace your index finger on the outside, or technically in the middle of the knife, your index finger, with your ring finger, and you're going to push the knife over your middle finger. It's coming back around. So I'll show you that again. You're gonna replace this finger with this finger and come around like that. Step 4 is the same as the last step, but you're doing it with different fingers. You're going to be pushing with your ring fingers. See, I'm pushing down. You're pointed down like this. Once you're down like this, you're going to be throwing the knife forward around your ring finger and replacing your middle finger with your pinky. And this is the farthest the trick will go. So just practice this exchange of going like that if you can't get it down. So just hold the knife like this and practice that exchange. Notice how I'm swinging my hand, my whole arm forward to get that momentum. Okay, so once you're here, in this position with your pinky on the outside, your index finger in the middle, you're going to go backwards the way you started. So you're going to go down like this. You're going to replace your pinky with your middle finger, like that, just like how you replaced it before. Then you're going to flip back over like this. When you get to this step, you're going to be moving to step 6. You're going to replace your ring finger with your index finger by putting it in its spot and having the knife go down like that. Once the knife's in this downward position, this is the easiest part, I'd say. You do a vertical index chaplain. So vertical index chaplain is going to go around like this. You're going to catch it by the safe handle and flip up. So honestly, this is one of the easiest things to practice. You just do this. You have your index finger here, your middle finger here, and you just practice going like that. It's actually one of my favorite things to do in combos and tricks. So just practice that. I'll do a little overview right now. So you're going to do a double rollout into a vertical index chaplain, catch it with the middle finger on the outside. You're going to go forward, down, replace your index with your ring finger and go up. And then you're going to go over your ring finger like that and catch it with your pinky on the outside. Then you're going to replace your pinky with your middle finger like this, go around again. And then you're going to sneak your index finger where your ring finger is, and as the knife's coming, you're going to do that vertical index chaplain and close the knife like this, or have it in the opening position like this. Okay, I hope you got that tutorial. If you need any help, you can DM me on Instagram. It's right here. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have.